2 Samuel 7:1. Vayehi ki yashav hamelech beveto. Yashem heniach lo misaviv mikol oyavav. And it was when the king had settled in his house. Now, the Lord gave rest to him from all his enemies. Yashav, this comes from Yod, Shin, Beit, and we're looking at a straight up Kal, perfect 3ms. So normally we would just say he sat, he lived, he dwelled, he settled, but we're going to have to adjust it just a little bit from the context. We have Vayehi ki. Now in this case, the ki is going to have a temporal sense, and here we can look at Gesenius, where at 164d talks about the temporal sense of when, and it was when. And then that context gives us sort of this pluperfect sense, when the king had settled, something like that. Heniach, this comes from nun, vav, chet. So we can see by the middle root letter that it's a hollow verb because of the vav. And so in this case we have a hey attached to the front. This tells us that we're looking at the hiphil. Again, perfect 3ms. Different subject being the Lord. The Lord caused to rest with the hiphil sense here. So very typical beginning to a biblical narrative chapter. We have a temporal phrase, and then we have another disjunctive vav giving us a background commentary. So two settings, a temporal setting and then more of a commentary, and a theological commentary, if you will, of what the Lord had done for David, setting us up for the narrative.